Really excited to be here at the 13th Asia Pacific Breast Cancer Summit, APBCS. Well over 700 attendees. We had a pathology workshop, patient advocacy, nursing symposium. So many people here from over 30 countries. Shahina, could you ever imagine it?
No, we started off so small, but we've grown so big. The interactions, the brainstorming, the learning, the cohesiveness of all the colleagues coming together in such a beautiful place like Singapore. And not only that, we've got patient advocacy groups, we've got oncology nurses coming on board as well. We've just grown bigger and bigger, and we've learned so much, and we've disseminated that information so much.
So this year's symposium, I think what people often talk about is real world, what you actually do in clinical practice, because very often we hear lectures, but then it's actually so important to walk the people through what real cases feel like. So we're so honored to hear from Dr. Lee Soo-Chin and then Shahina Dawood and so many others here at this meeting. And I always get the quote, "I love this meeting. This is my favorite meeting. I learn here. What do I do with my patients on Monday morning?" So thank you to everybody who supported our meeting. Continue to support our meeting. We will see you next year in Malaysia. See you in Malaysia next year.